Okay, say
Luther Mayer, sir.
table. Okay, after Luther Mayer's theory. So next one, Mendeleev's classification of elements. Otherwise, Mendeleev's periodic table. See, Mendeleev's periodic table. So, what about Mendeleev's periodic table? Mendeleev was a first person to construct periodic table. Mendeleev was a first person to construct periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table is also known as short form of periodic table. Short form because it contains only 63 elements. Only 63 elements. Because of that reason, it is also called as short form of periodic table. So after that, in Mendeleev's periodic table, he arranged the elements based on their increasing order of atomic weights. Increasing order of atomic weights. So he arranged the elements in periodic table based on increasing order of their atomic weights. So he was not only depends on atomic weights, so he was included or considered physical and chemical properties of their elements. Generally, Mendeleev, the elements are arranged in periodic table based on their increasing atomic weights. That is first thing. He was not only depends on atomic weight. So he was taken, considered physical and chemical properties of elements. Physical and chemical properties of elements. So what about Mendeleev's periodic law? How to define?
The
So
physical and chemical property of the elements are periodic function of their atomic weight.
very good. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. That is called Mendeleev's periodic law. Simply we can say that is referred as a Mendeleev periodic law. Now listen. According to Mendeleev, the vertical columns are called grooves. The horizontal rows are called as periods. So he was divided like as a groups and periods. The vertical columns are called groups. The horizontal rows are known as periods. In Mendeleev periodic table, there are 9 groups are there. Total number of groups are 9. So these are from 0 to 8. 0 to 8. Okay, having 0 group, first group, second, third, fourth, 5, 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. See this? Total number of groups are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 groups and 7 periods. 7. Out of 7 periods, generally, 3 periods are, the first 3 periods are short periods and the remaining are long periods. Each long period has 2 rows of elements, 2 rows. 2 rows of elements, row, 2 rows. So here, if we can take groups, except 0 and 8 group, see, except 0 and 8 group, except 0 and 8 group, remaining all groups are divided into 2 subgroups, except 0 and 8. Remaining groups are divided into 2 subgroups, A and B, that is A and B subgroups, except 0 and 8. Remaining groups are divided into subgroups A and B. Okay, here. Group 8 of Mendeleev periodic table. Group 8. Group 8 of Mendeleev periodic table consists of 3 triads. So group 8, which consists of 3 triads. These are called transition triads. First one, these are ferrous, cobalt, nickel, 1 triad, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, 1 more triad, osmium, iridium, platinum. These are 1 trade. These 3 trades are called transition trades. Transition trades. See. Now I have given, what I have given in Mendeleev periodic table, if we are observed, 8th group. 8th group consists of 3 trades. These 3 trades are called transition trades. What are the 3 trades? 3 transition trades. First one, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, 1 trade. Ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, 1 trade. Osmium, iridium, platinum, 1 more trade. At the time of Mendeleev, periodic table, 0 group elements are not known. At the time of Mendeleev's periodic table, 0 group elements are not known. After Mendeleev, later, the 0 group elements are introduced by Ramsay and Rayleigh. Ramsay and Rayleigh. At the time of Mendeleev's, 0 group elements are not known. After that, these are introduced by Ramsay and Rayleigh. At the same time, Mendeleev observed that some elements have similar atomic masses. Mendeleev observed in that periodic table some elements have similar atomic masses. Okay, similar atomic masses. So, for example, if we can take similar atomic masses elements, we know that argon and calcium, argon and calcium, argon 40, calcium 40. We know that similar atomic mass. Argon and calcium. Not only that, cobalt and nickel, and not only that, tellurium and iodine, etc. So Mendeleev observed in the periodic table some elements have similar atomic masses like argon, calcium, cobalt, nickel, and tellurium, iodine. So along with he was observed some elements with constant increase its atomic masses. Constantly increases its atomic masses. For example, he was observed some elements atomic masses are increases constantly. Potassium, rubidium, cesium. So here potassium we know that 39, okay, rubidium 85 and 123. So constantly increases the atomic mass. He was observed that thing also, Mendeleev. So at the same time, Mendeleev had a foresight to leave some gaps in the periodic table for three elements. At the time of Mendeleev, you don't know the three elements. He was given gaps in the periodic table, three gaps given. At that time, we don't know what are the elements, just the gaps, the names are given, echo boron, echo silicon, and echo aluminum. See? So at the time of Mendeleev, you don't know what about the elements. So he was given just gaps. The gaps names are given just blindly. They are given names: echo boron, echo silicon, echo aluminum. Okay. Now the echo boron. Now the echo boron presently known as scandium. Sc. The echo boron, presently known as scandium. What is the element name? Scandium. At present, echo silicon is known as germanium. At present, echo aluminum is known as, what we can say, gallium, Ga. See? At present, echo boron is called scandium, echo silicon is called germanium, echo aluminum is called gallium. So, these are the main postulates in Mendeleev's periodic table. So, Mendeleev at that time, he was corrected. Mendeleev corrected the atomic mass of some elements like beryllium, indium, osmium by using corrected valency of element. So he was used atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into its valency. So by using this formula, Mendeleev corrected the atomic weights of beryllium, indium, and osmium. It is one of the merit in Mendeleev periodic table. Not only that merit, so first the periodic table constructed by Mendeleev. That is also one merit. He was not only depends on atomic masses, he was included, observed, based on physical and chemical properties of elements. That is also one of the merit. Not only that merit. So at that time, he was given some gaps. So exactly after discovering, the elements are exactly shows that properties only. That is also one of the merit. So at the same time, Mendeleev's periodic table having some demerits are there. What are the demerits in Mendeleev periodic table? First thing, some elements with higher atomic weight were placed before lower atomic weight of element. What is the meaning of that? According to Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev's law, the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic weights. But some elements he was observed. So first element compared to that second element, atomic masses are less or low. For example, argon and potassium. Argon. Argon, potassium. So here argon mass, atomic mass, we know that 40. But potassium atomic mass, how much we can take? 39 only. See, according to rule, Mendeleev law, what about that? The elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic weights. But here decreasing order is there. 40, 39. So it is called anomalous pair. Anomalous, different pair. So remaining elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic weights. But these elements are present decreasing order of their atomic weights. So it is one of the anomalous pair. Okay, that type of anomalous pairs, mainly 4 pairs are there. Not only that, cobalt, CO and Ni, one pair, and tellurium, iodine, one pair, and one more, PH and Pa also one more pair. So see this, these 4 pairs are called anomalous pairs. Anomalous pairs means what about that? These are according to rule Mendeleev periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic weights. But these elements are present decreasing order of their atomic weights. So it is one of the demerit, drawback. Demerit means drawback. Drawbacks in periodic table. Now, not only that, he fails to explain. He was not explained anomalous pairs. Second thing, he could not include isotopes in periodic table. We know that the elements having isotopes are present. He could not include that isotopes in periodic table. That is also one of the demerit. Not only the demerit, Mendeleev so not given the exact clear position of hydrogen. Position of hydrogen was not made clear. That is also one of the drawback in Mendeleev's periodic table. Not only that, he was not given what is the position of lanthanides. Lanthanides. So what about position of inert gases, noble gases? So absence of similarity in subgroups. So like alkali metals and alkaline earth metals and coinage metals. Generally, simply what we can say, what are the demerits seen? Mendeleev periodic table, first one. So it fails to explain the position of hydrogen. At the same time, it fails to explain the position of lanthanides, actinides, and noble gases. Next one, it fails to explain anomalous pair. Why the some elements are arranged in decreasing order of their atomic masses. It could not include isotopes in periodic table. These all are demerits in Mendeleev's periodic table. Right? This is the Mendeleev periodic law or periodic table.
Cause of periodicity is not known, sir.
What better?
Cause of periodicity is not known, no?
Yes.
Demerit of Mendel.
OB demerits. So a lot of demerits are there. Okay, I have given the important demerits. These are enough, right? Now,
Okay, sir.
now the most important periodic table, periodic law, modern periodic table. That is the most important. Niels Bohr constructed modern periodic table. It is also called long form of the periodic table. The modern periodic table generally based on atomic numbers and electronic configurations. According to modern periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic numbers. Increasing order of atomic numbers. That is the modern periodic table. Okay, that classification. Now here it is clear up to Mendeleev's periodic table clear.
Yes, sir.